It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Suburban Chevrolet, we're all about service, selection, and value. We're conveniently located in Eden Prairie at Highway 494 and Highway 5. Suburban Chevrolet, a dealer for the people.